Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about present perfect continuous tense. So, first of all, what is the definition of present perfect continuous tense? The Oxford Learner's Dictionary defines the present perfect continuous tense as a tense that is used to talk about an action or activity that started in the past and continues now or has only just stopped, right? First of all, we will write the definition of present perfect continuous tense. Definition for affirmative sentences is subject plus has or have. We will put has or have according to our subject. If our subject is singular, then we will write has. And if our subject is plural, then we will write have. Plus being. Being is must. Plus V1, that is first form of verb, plus ing, plus object, and plus time. In present perfect continuous tense, we also talk about time. Time can be defined or indefined. We will discuss it later in our video. Right? Now formation for negative sentences is S. S stand for subject plus has or have plus not. We will write not before writing being plus being plus V1, that is first form of verb, plus ing plus object plus time. Right? Now we will write formation of interrogative sentences. Helping verb will take first, uh, has or have will come at first, plus subject plus being plus V1, that is first form of verb, plus ing plus object plus time or our other part of sentence, and plus question mark, right? These are formation. First one is for affirmative sentences, or in simple words we can also say for simple sentences. This is the formation of affirmative or simple sentences, right? This is the formation of negative sentences. Negative sentences. And this is the formation of interrogative sentences, right? Now I'll write an example of present perfect continuous. For example, he has been playing football for 2 hours. Right, this is an example of present perfect continuous. Now this is our subject, right? We put has because our subject is singular. He has been playing, that is first form of verb V1 and plus ing. This is our object. Now what is this? As you know, I discussed in my video, that in present perfect continuous tense we will also talk about, or we will also discuss about time that can be defined or indefined. Now the time is our 2 hours. We don't know which 2 hours is this, right? We don't know which 2 hours is this. So for defined time we will write since, and for indefined time we will write for, right? Now if we say he has been playing football, uh, if we talk about for morning, so we will put since here and morning, as we know which morning about we are talking, right? So this is our today's topic. Hope you guys learned something new and liked my video. Thank you so much for watching. Share my videos with your loved ones. Keep supporting everyone. Bye bye.